We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack, a soft insulated cooler bag designed to hold up to 30 cans. This backpack cooler is marketed as a practical solution for keeping food and drinks cold or warm during various outdoor activities such as camping, picnics, beach trips, work, or travel. It features a leak-proof lining, waterproof material, and multiple storage compartments. Here is what users have experienced with this product. The Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack stands out for its thoughtful design and multi-purpose storage options. The main insulated compartment can hold drinks and food, while two side mesh pockets are ideal for beers or wines. A front pocket provides space for smaller items like tissue packs, snacks, or a cell phone. The backpack is made from polyester with a premium quality leak-proof PEVA lining that is hot seam pressed to prevent leaks and maintain temperature. Its waterproof exterior also makes it suitable for use in wet environments, enhancing its versatility for camping or picnics. One of the most praised features is the size and shape of the backpack. Many users appreciate that it is taller than most similar bags, allowing it to carry sodas, water bottles, and snacks efficiently without the bulk of a traditional cooler. It is compact enough to be carried comfortably on the back with a mesh back panel that helps reduce heat buildup, making it easier to wear for extended periods. The backpack weighs about 1.1 pounds and measures 11.3 by 6.5 by 14.5 inches, which fits well for day trips and outdoor activities. Performance-wise, the cooler backpack does an excellent job at keeping items cold for several hours. Users report that with the use of ice packs or homemade ice, the backpack can maintain cold temperatures throughout the day. Some reviewers mentioned that ice lasted well beyond 6 hours, which is impressive for a soft cooler. The insulation quality is generally praised, and the bag is effective at preserving the freshness of food and drinks. Durability and build quality receive positive remarks as well. The stitching is sturdy, and the materials used feel robust enough to withstand regular outdoor use. The zippers operate smoothly, and the bag is easy to clean since water and spills simply run off the surface. This makes maintenance straightforward, which is a valuable feature for an outdoor cooler. Despite its many strengths, some users have noted a few drawbacks. The leak-proof claim is met with mixed reviews. While the lining prevents most leaks, some have experienced condensation or melting ice leaking if ice packs or bags burst inside. This has occasionally resulted in moisture reaching the wearer's back, which can be uncomfortable. However, this issue seems to be related more to the handling of ice packs rather than a failure of the bag's construction. Another minor criticism is the lack of a lid pocket on the top flap, which some users would have liked for additional storage. However, this is a relatively small design detail and does not significantly impact the overall functionality. The backpack is also noted for its aesthetic appeal, with some users appreciating the clean and crisp design. It is unisex and suitable for adults, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. Overall, the Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack is highly recommended for those who need a reliable, lightweight, and easy-to-carry cooler for outdoor activities. It offers excellent insulation, practical storage options, and a comfortable fit. Whether you are hiking, going to the beach, attending sports events, or simply need a cooler for work lunches, this backpack cooler meets the needs of many users effectively. If you own this cooler backpack, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports our channel. This backpack cooler combines convenience, durability, and performance, making it a valuable addition to your outdoor gear. In summary, the Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack is a well-made, functional, and affordable cooler solution that holds up well under regular use. It keeps food and drinks cold for hours, offers ample storage, and is comfortable to carry. Minor issues with condensation and the absence of a lid pocket do not overshadow its overall quality. For anyone looking for a soft cooler backpack that balances size, insulation, and usability, this product is a strong contender.